Okay, not far down from the merchandiser, we're at a Conoco station with an older Mark VII AquaJet machine. I don't know why the door's down and it's 63 degrees outside. I thought it'd be closed. It doesn't say that it's closed. There you go. 7, 9, and 11. I hope the credit card, or I hope the card reader works on this one. Oh, zip code again.
Please wait while your transaction is.
Why does it ask for zip code?
Thank you.
Sweet! It works, still. Just gonna hold that for a thumbnail for a few seconds. Alright. Sweet. Doesn't say. Oh, GT-700. I was like, what model is this? Little toot. Okay, so you have the back and forth sprayers and the newer Mark VII dryers on this. Okay, so it's like a mid-gen, I think, version of one of these. Let's see how this one does. I think it always does that because then it sprays soap on your mirrors. It probably freaks out some people. It's like, what the heck is the machine doing? But it's actually spraying soap on your mirrors, which is actually genius. Not many toucher machines actually take a second to do that, as far as I know. Always glad when I can film one of these because they are really rare now. At least all the ones in like the Dallas area are like all replaced now. Except that one in Plano that's still there, but it's never working. See here? Spray in the mirror. Well, the profiler I filmed didn't have the turbo nozzles on it. Luckily, this one does, so it's been a while since I've actually been through a real one of these. I get to be reminded of how loud the high pressure cycle is. I hope it's doing wheels now. I don't know if I can I'll get a look at it from my camera. Oh, maybe a little bit. Oh yeah, this is gonna sound loud. I just know it already. So it looks like it works pretty good though. Yeah, it like vibrates the whole car. And dry foam. Now I wonder if the stainless AquaJet is here still working. Last time I checked it was not. So that one I'm not exactly sure, but so far we've done. I've had no I haven't been coned a single time on this spree, so that's really good, but now that I say that, I'm probably gonna jinx myself. I bet there's still probably some more of these, but I don't know if in Colorado Springs or somewhere else throughout this state. Should be spot free and arena experiment. Does the thing still? Oh. Didn't even go all the way to the back of my car. Main camera died. Luckily, I got most of it. That's why I have my phone. Tires still did pretty good. So. Sweet, glad to know this one still works, although it didn't look like it was. Sweet. I'm gonna go readjust some things in the parking lot over here, I guess. Well, without further ado, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. See you all in the next one.